Across 11 episodes, we set out from the tragedy of one allergy pill and worked all the way down to a single ion channel, down to that raw current trace inside a patch clamp. Today, in this final episode, we fold the whole thing into one picture, a panoramic map of cardiac safety you can take with you. Once you've seen it, you hold a complete framework for judging the cardiac risk of any new drug. Layer 1 of the map, where the danger comes from. A drug of utterly unrelated structure can accidentally block the heart's potassium, sodium, or calcium channels, disrupt the rhythm of repolarization, stretch the action potential and the QT interval longer and longer, and finally trigger that lethal chaos, torsades de points, even sudden death. The prime suspect is hERG, but the real truth is that you must sum the net effect across many channels. That paradigm is called CiPA. Layer 2, which channels to watch. Risk is decided mainly by three: potassium's hERG, sodium's late current NaV 1.5, and calcium's CaV 1.2. And guarding repolarization is the potassium-iron triangle, the main force hERG, the backup IKS, and the baseline keeper IK1. Each one's role and how much each is blocked by a drug must be measured, one by one. Layer 3. How to test. The three pillars of CiPA. 1. The in vitro panel, using patch clamp to measure how much each channel is blocked. 2. The in silico virtual heart, feeding that data into a model to compute a net charge score. 3. iPSC stem cell heart muscle, cross-checking with a real, beating human heart cell. Only when all three agree is the conclusion trustworthy. Layer 4. From data to approval. Cardiac safety assessment walks on two legs, the non-clinical S7B and the clinical E14. The core of E14 was once the costly TQT study, but since 2022, if your non-clinical mechanistic data is solid and double negative, you can reduce it, or even replace it with a concentration QTC analysis from early clinical trials. Data finally becomes a report the regulators accept, and only then can a drug reach the market. And directly beneath these four layers lies the foundation of the whole map: patch clamp. From measuring each channel's IC50 to reading that tail current, the deepest layer of all of it is that glass electrode, hearing the voice of a single ion channel with its own ears. This decades-old technique is the bedrock of everything, and it is irreplaceable. Now stack the 5 layers together: danger at the top, then the lethal channels, then CiPA's 3 pillars, then the 2 legs of regulation, and at the very bottom, patch clamp as the bedrock. This is the complete map a new drug must cross to clear the cardiac safety gate. And the heart is only one corner of the ion channel world. Next season, we switch tracks to chase a holy grail of medicine, a drug that can stop severe pain without ever causing addiction, and its key hides in a sodium channel called NaV 1.7. Season 1, Cardiac Safety, ends here. Thank you for watching all the way through. This is Channel Observatory, and next season we'll keep taking them one channel at a time.